Hold on. We running out of time, so I guess I'm going. Oh, nope.
Nope.
But I'm feeling good, I ain't feeling no pain. On my way to 106 BET. Yeah, everybody gon' see me on TV, but I don't really give a fuck. I got my double cup. And
This is really fucking good.
That
crazy.
beat is fucking
Yeah,
dope.
Fucking ridiculous.
Is that a salute? But welcome to the Brokeknocklife podcast, episode number 87, where we beat our meat
And we break our feet.
and we go to sleep.
Yeah, we go to sleep.
You got to break those feet in before you beat your meat. I don't know about you. That's my first routine before I beat my meat.
I was playing off of you said like podcast or something like that, like podcast.
Podcast, what the?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, dude.
Let
What
it roll off
episode?
your tongue.
What episode was that? Was that whenever I came back and I was like on no sleep and I was just trying
No,
to
that
hurry?
was the one like the week before you got your surgery.
Oh, dude. And I was still on those fucking I was
the
on the
painkillers.
painkillers. Where we beat our meat and go to sleep. And I'm like, what? I didn't even catch it in the edit. I noticed it after I published it. But anyway, for everybody looking in my hands, this is CBD. I swear to God.
That's meth.
Legal meth.
Illegal meth.
The Walter White.
We got it straight from Oregon. Not Morgan, Oregon.
Morgan knows a guy who knows a guy who knows a guy in Oregon.
I mean, I know a bunch of people, but none in Oregon.
Dude, what do you even do in Oregon?
Do drugs
Yeah.
legally.
Dude, it's so fucking big. You can just like
If it's
go the fuck out there and just do whatever.
well, it's all decriminalized, like everything.
Wait, what?
Yeah, apparently. So you can just, do
I
drugs.
need a.
That's what the tourism is.
I'm gonna say it again.
Drugs.
This is CBD.
Drugs.
Reefer Madness. It's really tight up here. Never have a tight blunt.
I've never
Joint.
seen Reefer Madness. I've only seen clips, and I've never seen anyone act like,
Dude,
that.
that's like if they smoke legal marijuana.
or if you smoke meth.
I mean, illegal as in like the legal
Yeah,
stuff
like
here, the chemical shit.
Yeah, that spice. Yeah, I've seen some dude
This is the worst
ripping
joint.
off that shit.
Known to man.
Why'd you roll it so tight, dog?
I don't know, man. But this is by far my favorite joint paper. And the cherry's popping out. Oh, no. Oh, you know what it was? I fucking had an end of my joint, and I put it in here. So it's like sticking and making everything fucking...
Block it.
Gotta give it some air. I would press down right here, but, that might hurt.
Don't be a pussy.
It has to get past the initial... Whatever the fuck that was. I'll just cut that to make it seem like I didn't just
initial
struggle
bull.
for like 5 minutes.
I like good old bleezies.
I do, but these are like really fast and easy to fucking... If you just got like a few little small nugs,
Heard that.
little no filter special,
That's
zigzags.
when you get the mini bleezies.
I had two fucking huge... Dude, I sprinkled some legal CBD oil.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in the blunt yesterday.
There you go.
I was chiefing it with T-Man, and then he like started coughing a lot more, and I'm like, you know what I put in that? He's like, bro, meth.
Yes.
It's a nice little surprise.
Get ready to go.
Yeah, get ready to fucking
Where are we going? Nowhere.
everywhere
Just
and nowhere at
yeah.
the same fucking time.
Just get fucking ready to go.
Get ready to go to the fucking car wash.
You remember that 1 420 back in high school? It was like junior, maybe senior year. on 420, and we were at that gas station, like in the hood, and we were sitting there, and we were.
Was that the corner store?
Yeah.
And it was really, really sketchy?
Yeah, and we got not ran up on, but it may have been a homeless person. He gave me a fucking
Dude, I fucking remember that. That was like, dude, everything that could have gone wrong to make us more paranoid, like, went wrong. What did that dude even fucking want? I don't even remember.
He was homeless. I think he just wanted some money.
He wanted some fucking weed, bro. Or some, CBD.
Or maybe that too.
Yeah, he fucking...
He knew it was 420. Had to have known.
And we definitely didn't smell like, laundry detergent.
I think it was 4 white kids in the car, up in the hood.
What are we doing there other than fucking buying more?
Yeah, we didn't get out the vehicle. He obviously had to have been watching.
Look at him. I'm going to scare the shit out of these
Get
kids.
these fuckers.
All right, so we have to... I went to the Van Gogh Museum for... what was it for?
Like the artist?
Yeah.
Vincent
Vincent Van Gogh in New Orleans. They have like a whole museum.
Oh, no shit.
And it's like all the senses. Like virtual reality is at the end, and then they have like a big fucking like open area, and it's projectors. I counted like 10 to 20 fucking projectors, and they're all making... I'll show it on the screen while I'm doing this, but imagine going into like a coliseum, and it's like a circle fucking like the Superdome, and then looking up at all the sides and the ceiling, and then seeing his paintings
Shit.
all transition, and then sometimes it'll transition where like there's blots of paint like going all alongside. Dude, if you were tripping, bro, you didn't even need to take anything.
Be tripping hard.
Honestly. Everybody... And dude, the cool thing was there was like carpets and shit, like rugs on the ground, so where you can like lay down and just like look up. And what do you think my fucking loaded ass did? I split from my family immediately. Laid my head down on that shit. My mom has a picture of me. Just like...
Barely looking, but looking.
Christopher, open your eyes.
They're as open as they can go.
But yeah, happy post 420.
Happy 421.
See, Tom wouldn't get on to us about that. Well, we are kind of celebrating it, but it is the next day. And we're just smoking.
Yeah, man. We're going to smoke. We're going to smoke more than we normally smoke.
But on the wrong day, so
Any
it
other
doesn't
day.
count.
Oh, the one that I was watching was okay, so yeah, it was on Reddit. I remember more. They were going back and forth of Tom Segura talking shit about people who celebrate 420
Yeah.
with Joe Rogan talking about how he celebrates 420 and how he has a whole tradition on 420 where he flies out somewhere and does a comedy show.
And then they probably like explain all of that and then cut to Tom. Yeah, people who celebrate 420 are fucking idiots.
And then cut right back to Joe Rogan talking. Yeah, it's a tradition that I do every year.
Yeah, get the whole family together, celebrate. Anybody who celebrates that is a fucking idiot. Go fucking die.
You're fucking going nowhere. Yeah, man. So I go to this comedy show during 420.
That's how he treats wrestling. That's the same type of shit.
I could get behind that on wrestling.
I can't too, because he's making fun of the people who like believe that it's
Yeah,
real.
that it's real.
Like it's real in the fact that if you somewhat fake slap someone on the chest, they're gonna get a mark,
Yeah.
and you're legitimately hitting them.
But who's gonna punch? What kind of punch to the
And it's-
chest is the back of the hand?
Yeah.
Where they're all limp.
And then, dude, the overselling of the Stone Cold Stunner is the funniest shit ever,
I don't even
bro.
remember what that was.
Look up the Stone Cold Stunner right now. Stone Cold Stunner. Stone Cold Stunner oversell, and then you're gonna see a fuck ton of people. The Rock does it the best. Fucking hits him with that move, hits down, and then just has like a seizure.
No shit, there's an actual. Fucking myself up.
Okay, that guy just fucking... Okay.
Could you imagine? Turned his whole body into a spring. Fucking ridiculous.
Is that a salute? Okay, that wasn't that bad. Did he fucking bounce back? I hope they show The Rock.
Oh my god,
Dude,
that
he
dude
got
launched.
so much air.
Holy shit.
The fucking Kurt Angle.
I think so.
Dude, I think I remember that. Him dressing up as a referee and then doing his final move to all the other referees. Okay.
This is fucking ridiculous. Oh my god.
They're all like Mortal Kombat finishing.
Yeah.
Type shit. They fucking pushed him down. That was dope. Okay. Oh shit.
This is ridiculous and it puts a smile on my face.
Yeah, it's The Rock.
Oh my god.
This is the best, man. Dude, what?
He fucking launches himself back with his hands.
And then he fucking goes forward. That was fucking amazing. He waited for the second one. No, but Vincent Van Gogh, the VR was kind of like because I already have a VR headset, and it was literally just you put it on and then you stroll through not his hometown. I think it was where he ended up whenever he was having he was like having psychotic breaks and shit. So he got sent to this valley or some like luxurious place, and that's where he painted Starry Night and a whole bunch of other paintings. And it took you like through a walk through that village, and like where it would be like, okay, look over here, and then it would be a big frame, and then the whole surroundings, it would zero in, and then it would be like, that's what he saw whenever you painted it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're strolling through and everything, you see all the surroundings of the village and stuff, and then you'll look to the right, and then that's where he got the idea to paint this painting, and it's like matching up. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Because like he overlooked.
Isn't he the one who painted Starry Night?
Yeah.
How the fuck did he see that in the sky?
Dude, he's colorblind. It's crazy.
How did he paint it?
Dude, the way that he paints is very, very erratic, short strokes.
How do you get the colors right? I mean, I guess they had them labeled.
I don't know.
Well, how do you ask someone, hey man, what's that color?
That's why it looks kind of like insane.
Yeah, I guess.
Because he was seeing
That
like
makes
different
sense.
types of blues, different types of greens, and his interpretations of blues and greens and shit.
That makes sense, because how do you explain a color to someone who's colorblind?
Yeah.
Explain the
Right,
word.
that's blue.
Yeah,
Like,
explain.
what is that?
Explain what blue is.
Yeah.
Besides, it's a color.
Yeah. You can't.
Like, describe it.
You would have to describe it with something else, but then it still raises the question: what is the
blue?
color of that?
Yeah. Like, what is it?
Yeah.
Like, what is the color? And you can't. The
No.
only way to describe color is with the name
Yeah. That's crazy.
or with another color.
But I'm
with its name.
gonna put up on the screen the big fucking arena thing that I was talking about. I'm actually making a vlog, and before I fucking forget, the reason why I brought all this up is I'm making the vlog with a Dak Attack with Mack Back at Sack track. It's a Drive, and it's just gonna be like one of those chill like travel type vlogs that's like maybe a couple minutes. So this is gonna be the background of that.
Heard that.
Kind of like lo-fi, like chill, just like transitions. This is one of my favorite decks. I fuck with it. You can see like,
It's dreamy.
yeah, you know those lo-fi YouTube videos that are always live and it's like lo-fi hip hop and it has a background.
Mhm.
That's what it reminds me of what it would be on. That type of shit. Like chill, study, lo-fi hip hop. That's the title of this song right now.
Couldn't study to it because I'm ADHD, and I would wind up
Yeah. Oh, me too. Believe
listening
me.
to it.
Believe me. Me too. I can't. That's why I can't listen to music whenever I'm doing shit. I have to have low volume.
I can listen to people
Shit.
talk.
Yeah.
I
Like,
can't listen to like music or
'Cause I
anything
get
like
into
that.
it.
Right, but I can listen to like people talk, so I
Mhm.
can like put on a YouTube video and listen to it.
yeah, same here. But yeah, that track is gonna be behind the whole shit. We're gonna make this one pretty quick today because there's a lot I gotta edit. A lot. And you mentioned that you were going to a special place again.
Talladega, baby.
Fucking Dega. You sent me some pictures that I'm gonna put. I think that was the
Show
start
me
of
your
another.
butthole.
What's the craziest thing you've heard someone yell over there?
Nothing, because I've only been once. And
The-
it was during the pandemic. It was 2021.
Oh, so you're about to experience like
I hope it is fucking like wide the fuck open. They have this part
Dude.
called the hood. I hope the hood's open.
did you like do some research on some of the
My dad's been going for years, so he can tell me. He's
No,
told
I'm
me
talking
wild
about like
stories.
the COVID regulations. Have you checked into the places that you're going to
No.
stay and see how like
You stay out there. You camp.
Oh, okay. So
It's like
gonna
going
be,
to a festival. It's like going to Bonnaroo, but you can take like RVs and shit, or how you camp in tents and stuff.
Mhm.
That's what they call the hood.
Dude,
The hood is wild.
I can only imagine.
Wild. No running water. No hookups. It's
Pure utter debauchery.
yes. I hope it's like that because one year my dad told me. So we got this old man that goes with us. He's
Yeah.
probably in his 70s, and he said one year they were walking to the racetrack, and they had this truck pass by.
Mhm.
Bunch of people in the bed, women and all that. One of the women yelled at Jimmy. That's his name, Jimmy. Hey, you old fucker, turn around and look at this. And whenever he turned around, she was flashing him and all that. So yeah, that's how wild it is. Just because he's old.
Dude, it's
Hey, you
like
old fucker.
it's reminding me of Bourbon Street.
Pretty much,
Just like the wildness of it.
but probably like times 5.
Yeah,
if not
because it's
more.
like in an isolated area, and it's all of the people. Everybody there is like there for the same shit, so
Right.
everybody's gonna like fucking vibe
Not only that,
and get even more crazy.
my dad also told me that this one dude who always came, he only came to work, and he worked in the hood.
Like that. What do you mean he worked in the hood?
He owned a strip club, and so he brought out strippers
Yeah.
to the hood. He brought stripper poles and everything, so he was working in the hood.
That motherfucker making some bank, man.
Yeah.
I bet he makes a lot of money doing that shit.
My little brother told me that was the first time he ever seen a real pussy and all that. So, if that tells you how wild it is, I'm
So-
hoping it's that wild.
It's
I wanna
definitely
see
gonna be
some
more
shit.
lax.
I want to see some more shit. No, it was only like half capacity last year, so I'm thinking it's gonna be full capacity this year.
Oh, dude, if it's
So if it's full capacity, I
So,
want to
like-
see some butthole, man.
yeah, dude. So like your experience last time, like multiplied by 2, at least.
I hope yeah, at least 2. I'm hoping it's like
There's gonna be more, fucking half more people there.
I'm hoping
Fucking-
I'm hoping it's gonna be like a slam of meth to the veins by like 10.
You're gonna see a whole bunch of fucking Fed smokers.
I hope.
Oh my god, man.
I hope. They last year they had this one he was either Cuban or Mexican, I don't know, but he was from Florida.
Mm-hmm.
It was him and like 3 other people. They drank the entire fucking weekend. The entire fucking weekend. Like every time we looked over there, the one dude, because he was wearing this big ass hat and overalls, couldn't stand half the time. But I think Jimmy wound up walking over there and having a conversation with the dude. Come to find out that apparently that dude only drinks one time a year, and it's for Talladega. So he
Dude.
gets fucking wrecked
Oh my, dude, I can't even imagine holding a whole year and then just letting loose on a fucking weekend.
Could you imagine?
I wouldn't be.
4 days.
I wouldn't
Friday,
be able
Saturday,
to.
Sunday, and Monday.
I wouldn't be able to
people
stand
leave on
up
Monday.
at all.
No.
First off, I'd be violently sick the next morning of the first night.
That dude was up. He was probably the first one up cooking.
Well, dude, that's how he's beating it. He's probably staying up the entire time so he doesn't get fucking hungover. Whenever he feels a hangover, he just fucking starts drinking again.
That's pretty much.
Bro, imagine whenever he got back to his place and then everything just fucking hit him.
I don't think he went to the races.
He's probably like Bert after that marathon. Fucking couldn't move.
But yeah, whenever he got back home,
Yeah,
couldn't fucking move.
His wife
Sweating out all the alcohol.
You had fun? I can't. Fuck. Shit.
Yes.
Dude, imagine the cold sweats that would fucking exhume from his body.
That would suck. That would suck. But yeah, I hope it's fucking full capacity.
I would think so, man.
I want to see some shit. I hope Andrew Callahan is there with Channel 5 News.
Dude, you need to flash your booty hole on the news.
I don't know what I could do besides, go be awkward, just as awkward to him. But that wouldn't make anything.
And then if you feel awkwardness coming on, just show your dick.
Oh, that's a good way to make the YouTube. That's a good way. Just be like, just random silence. Be like, hey man, you want to see my dick?
Want to see my cock? Like, you need to do it while you're whipping it out. Hey, you want to see my cock?
I'm undoing my belt. Hey man, you want to see my dick?
And then they're like, wait. And then you're like, huh? You just fucking flop it out.
I'm a grower, not a shower, man. So take it easy on me, bro.
Just give me a minute. And you just turn around. You're like, hold on, it's too small.
I gotta get a quick pump in.
It's too small.
Hold up.
Where's the dick pump? Hey, and y'all fuckers got a dick pump? And you look over and there's like 50 people raising their hands. That's how it's like in the hood.
One person with a sign that says "Show me your butthole." But yeah, that's a thing on Andrew Callahan's YouTube channel, Channel 5. Show me your butthole. That's a thing from Talladega.
That's what you got to do.
Show me your butthole.
You got to do what you got to do. Do you think if you recorded them zooming around, it wouldn't even record how loud it is? Because because I know in the Superdome.
Did you watch that video I sent you?
No, I didn't hear the sound, but I watched it like on the preview.
Well, you're gonna hear it, and that's
like mutes out.
It doesn't do it justice. Like it doesn't mute out, but it's not as loud.
Dude, and I bet feeling it and hearing it is just...
It's crazy.
I bet you feel it more than you fucking hear it, because it's like everything vibrates.
Especially whenever you're like inside the stands.
Mm-hmm.
So like where the concession stands are at. Oh my God, the echo is wild. So when you're taking a piss, you can hear them.
Dude, I guarantee you, like if a person has been working there for 5 years, they got hearing damage.
Oh, I'm sure. They're all wearing shit like
like all the vendors and shit?
A lot of them, yeah, actually.
No shit.
A lot of them are.
That's crazy. Dude, I can't stop looking at those fucking idiots on that screen right now.
Well, let's do it to it, love.
Yeah, we got to do it to it. And I did forget something. It's 28 minutes in. Better late than never.
Better out than in, I always say.
I'll throw the beats, I go to sleep and show my
Look how
reach.
fucking
Ask for
stupid
treats.
they are.
Silent sweep, fill my wrath to peace. It's my greed, spinning round my head. Fred, leave it red, made it red.
I'm so glad Lalo fucking put these bitches in their fucking place.
I can't believe they went and shaved their head.
I can't fucking... And, dude, there's no other logical reason other than Lalo.
Yeah, there's none.
It happened right after that.
Yeah, there's no
like
other,
a day after
there's
that.
none. Unless if all of Lalo's fans went and spammed cut your hair or some shit like that.
Hey, that's still Lalo, though.
Yeah,
That's
still
his
Lalo.
power.
Yeah, it's still Lalo.
He's directing all of it. But we have to get on with the Gramps basement. We're gonna touch up on some updates from previous spotlights, including Lalo, DJ fucking blindfury, and some other ones that I can't really remember right now because I'm kind of it is what it is.
Spell red.
That's gonna be my description for being high for now.
L-S-T-E-R.
It is what it is.
I watched a short documentary on Beetlejuice the other day.
Oh, and there's a Beetlejuice video in here.
Apparently, that's a character.
There's no way.
Apparently, it is.
I need to see video.
But apparently, he fell into the character hard because it made everyone laugh.
Well, I think it's more along the lines of because I saw his first appearance whenever it was on Howard Stern. Him and Dominic, the midget, were in like big white suits. And you can kind of tell he's like not, if you watch 5 years later, it's an way more exaggerated version of like the original kind of offbeat, off conversation type shit. I think he just amped it up more and more and more and more and more. I don't know.
Well, he found what worked.
But like I've seen fucking behind the scenes stuff of other people trying to decipher that. I think it's just him.
Or maybe it's both, and that's why he does it so well. What's 1 + 1? 36.
What is true though, in the Stern show, he had headphones on like almost all the time, right?
Yeah.
Sal and Richard would feed him lines because there's one part I caught in an interview, and one of the ones that I downloaded from YouTube.
I think you showed me this one.
And it was Stern like talking to Beetlejuice, and then Beetlejuice was just like saying a whole bunch of random stuff, and then Stern's like, whoa, can y'all stop talking to him in the fucking headphones for 1 fucking second?
Oh, no shit.
Let me talk to him for a second.
Okay, you hadn't shown me that one.
Yeah, it was like deep cut shit.
That's wild.
Yeah. So Sal and Richard sometimes would say random words, and then he would just repeat it because his ADHD or whatever, it would just come out.
Me? About 36.
And they probably just adopted that, and it just grew into the Beetlejuice we know and love today.
If you dug a hole 7 feet, how deep would it be? About 26 foot.
And then he keeps asking the same questions.
About 36 foot.
About 64 inches. About 5. Beat, please.
I don't know nothing about no carrots.
I love it, man. I love it. But we're gonna we have an update from Lalo and Island Boys.
Cause I'm an island boy.
So last week, or not even last week, because I didn't even put the fucking episode out last week.
Well,
Last episode, last archived episode, we reviewed Lalo on live, just roasting the fuck out of the Island Boys, winning every single part of the argument.
The entire argument.
Every single bit and pieces of that argument he won.
Every
just
time
hands
Lalo
down.
spoke, he won.
Yeah, every fucking time. And I think it caused... No, I don't think. I know it caused the Island Boys to shave their head, not even a day after.
No doubt. Because he made fun of his hair.
Yep. Dude, he was
Both of them.
clowning his fucking hair, man. He's like, go get it nice. Go get it done nice.
Go get a haircut. Go get it done nice.
There you go, worrying about another man's business. Quit it. He just starts fucking demeaning the shit out of him, man. He's just pointing and laughing at him. And then he's trying to talk, and then every time he starts talking, just cutting him off.
Double fingers. Laughing at them both, literally.
But this is the result of Lalo's reign of terror on live.
That's a good way to put it. Reign of terror.
Oh my god. So this is the Island Boys. I don't even know what that comment says. What does that
I
say?
like you more as a curly island boy.
Oh, so this is them responding to their haircut.
So you already know what time it is, man. The Island Boys had to do their thing and chop it off. I mean, the wig's gone right now. We got the low cut.
I don't even want to finish
How
it.
you feel about it? You know what I'm saying? Hey, watch the process from the Island Boys, man. Yeah.
You know what Lalo would have said right now?
Want curly hair.
Yo, look like me.
Why are you stuttering?
Yeah.
He did fucking stutter right there. Dude, that would be so
What
funny
you saying?
if he stitched it right after the stutter and he just starts, why are you stuttering? You thinking about me, huh? You thinking about me, big man, huh?
Big man, huh?
Go get it done nice.
I said, look at me, not be like me.
And you're gonna see this is some retaliation,
Oh shit.
some shit talking from the official Lalo account, and it's a song, so I'm gonna have to mute it. a little bit.
Island girls don't want to box me, but can put hands on a female, but stay ducking me, leaving it at that.
What she do to me? She say she feels safe over here. This where the shooters be.
Look, it's like a $5 bill. $1
I think it's
bill.
$26. Okay, hold on.
And dude, there's like
It
3
is.
or 4 videos of this same
$26.
fucking format, just him saying different shit on the screen. It's just him dancing. How many likes is there? Was that tripping or was there like
82.6K.
I think there was a little bit more in some other ones, but shit, he hasn't seen this growth in a very long time.
Crazy. He's got $26.
Dude, there's another one, and it's completely it's completely not involving any of this Island Boy stuff.
25, 6.
3 bills. 3 bills. He's thumbing through it like there's a fuck ton. It's like, dude, we see the same fucking $5 bill a million times. But go to that next one.
Fucking $26.
You keep telling me give me a pepino review. Not gonna happen. You keep asking for a nalgas review. Not gonna happen. And stop telling me if you could braid my culito hairs. But first of all, I don't have no culito hairs. Okay?
So you shave your culito. Someone should have said that. So you shave your culito.
Dude, I just love how upset he sounds.
You're not gonna get a Nalgas review.
Dude, he sounds so fucking serious. Like he meant.
Pepino review. Not gonna happen. You keep asking for a nalgas review. Not gonna happen. And stop telling me if you could braid my culito hairs. But first of all, I don't have no culito hairs. Okay?
What's the second of all? He said first of all. What's the second? I need to know. I need to know.
Oh my god, man. I fucking love Lalo.
Oh, me too.
I fucking love him.
He's the only reason why TikTok should exist.
Dude, there's always that one fucking person that this podcast or like I've been interested in, and it comes along like every like few months. Like there'll be like a drought, and then someone will fucking rise up to the occasion. And then we'll fucking spotlight. Like it was the Dr. Parkenstein, and then
Right.
fucking the money, and then what are some other ones? Cheese God.
Take a hit of this. How about a hit of this?
Dude, we need to have an episode where it's all of them.
Yes.
Just all update videos.
All the good shit. The real good shit.
Nothing but fucking gold. Nothing but gold. But
Yeah, I'd call that a top shelf A-list gold tier.
that's it. No brokeknocklife 80 or 100 or whatever, just that title.
There we go.
No description either.
Just post it.
All they need to know is just what's in the video. Just watch it.
That's the title. Just watch it. Or don't.
Parentheses Golito.
Culito hairs.
Okay.
Braided culito hairs.
I don't remember what the fuck is gonna happen next. I just know there's some music shit at the end. Blind Fury.
Can I get a double cheeseburger?
Beat our fucking boy. So he's ordering.
Apparently McDonald's got Beats order wrong.
Yeah, dude, you know the mayhem it's about to fucking.
Got my fucking order wrong.
Yeah, dude, look how angry he is already.
He's ready to fucking
He's
pop off.
Already angry.
Can I get a double cheeseburger? And the fries? Thanks a lot, dirty bitch.
A double? Make sure.
I hope not.
Read it. What is it?
I hope you got a double. I hope not.
Yeah, that's a double. There's 2 burgers on 1 roll, right?
Uh-oh.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Put a cheeseburger in there.
Let me see. Oh, no, 2. 1, 2.
I had for 2 triples.
Tell her.
I said I want a double triple. That's not bad.
What?
Never again with these people.
I'll never deal with this people.
Dude, I think he's confusing himself.
Me too, because he asked for a double cheeseburger.
I
but
know.
he wanted a double triple.
I know. And then he like repeated his correction wrong at the
Yeah,
he said it like 3 different ways.
I wanted a triple.
A-
I wanted a double
a double
triple. The fuck's a double triple
And
B?
he's like, look, it's right there. There and there. No.
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 Yeah, look. Right there and right there.
Thank you, dirty bitch.
Yeah.
For no fucking reason at all. He didn't even know it was wrong at that point. He gets in and calls her a dirty bitch.
Thanks, you dirty bitch.
He said it so nonchalant. Like, it wasn't even an insult to him. It was just like a greeting.
I gotta hear it again.
Thanks, dirty bitch.
And the fries. Thanks a lot, dirty bitch.
Thanks a lot, dirty bitch.
Thanks a lot, dirty bitch.
Oh
Thanks a
my
lot, you dirty bitch. Like she did something wrong to him. Thanks a lot, you dirty bitch.
Always on the fucking offensive. Ready to fucking fight at any
Ready
moment's
to
notice.
fuck you up. You can
I'm
never
remembering-
catch beats slipping.
You remember that Sal moment where Sal had the present and his dick,
Yeah.
his dick was in it? He's like, you think I'm fucking with you, Sal? You think I'm not fucking serious?
You think I'm fucking stupid?
He like took his fucking headphones off and started like walking towards him and bowing up, and Sal's like, whoa, 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 whoa.
You think I'm fucking stupid?
You think I'm fucking stupid, Sal? You think I'm a fucking idiot, Sal? I'll fucking beat you up right now, Sal.
I'll fuck
It ain't
you up.
funny. It ain't
I'll
funny.
Fuck you up.
Fucking bowing up to him, walking all slowly. Whoa, 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 Pete. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then Stern's like, whoa, whoa. Pete. Calm down, man.
Chill out, dog. Chill out. Chill out.
Chill out.
It'll be all right. Thanks a lot, you dirty bitch.
On to the next. Oh, yeah. So this guy got passed out. Apparently there was a bonfire, and he passed out the whole entire night, sleeping right next
To the fire.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
No way.
Bruh. Is that just VLC fucking up, or is that the actual video? Because I want to see what he was wearing.
He's wearing shorts.
Okay, that was just VLC. Bro, what's wrong with...
No way.
He's cold. The fire burned out.
Bruh. I can't... I have
Why
no
didn't
words.
you just get up?
I have been that drunk before.
Oh, yeah, me too.
But I think I would move just a little bit further from the fire. Like, I can manage to roll over. Because
I think
I've been...
he may have rolled towards it. Yeah, there's no way.
Dude, that's so fucking dangerous. Just fucking burn alive. Oh my
Speaking
god.
of that, I saw a video on Reddit where some dude was passed out. Well, he wasn't passed out. He was on heroin. So I guess he was passed out in a stairwell. And I guess he was homeless. But this other dude, you can see him on the CCTV. He lit the bottom of his pants on fire. And he didn't wake up. And
Yeah, dude,
he
that's
fucking...
heroin, man.
He fucking caught fire. And he didn't wake up. Motherfucker caught fire. Fire.
Like, dude done for?
I didn't look at the comments, but
Yeah.
it looked like it.
Yeah.
Like, at the point of what he was wearing, all of it being on fire, like, step, drop, and roll is not going to help at that point.
No.
Like, just straight water or fire retardant.
Yeah, dude, you would have to douse him immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, they ain't no stop, drop, and roll if everything is on fire,
Yeah,
bro.
like,
That's not
he
going to
was-
do shit.
He was on fire.
Yeah. And even, like, pouring water, like, you need a fire hydrant. Not a fire hydrant, Jesus Christ. I mean, hey.
Something.
Fucking hook up a fire hydrant and bring that shit up
Something
in there.
with some pressure.
God damn, man. People
Yeah.
are fucking evil.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
That's fucked up.
I can't believe it.
That's beyond fucked up,
Yeah,
man.
that's crazy. I guess he got. I don't know if he got away with it or not. Who knows?
That's
Not me.
Yeah, not me. Apparently not this guy either. Guy's fucked up. Okay, so this is the we haven't seen this motherfucker in a while. He's been doing like some kind of like fast-ish rapping and for quite a long time, but this is a smooth one. So we about to hear Blind Fury, the blind rapper freestyler who has a podcast, by the way, where he just like raps and does some shit. One of the best freestylers I've ever... Dude. You remember Harry Mack?
Yeah.
Him and
Him-
Blind Fury need a battle.
Either need to battle or make a song.
Dude, yes. I want to see the
Some
battle
shit.
first.
Yeah.
A blind motherfucker versus Harry Mack.
I wonder who's better.
I wonder,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, we need a battle.
I need to know because they're both really, really talented.
Extremely fucking
And they can
talented.
go on forever. Both of them.
Not me.
No, dude, I can't do any freestyle.
I used to be able to.
I can't do it.
Not anymore.
It would have to be like really, really simple and like stupid and funny stuff.
That's pretty much what all mine were.
Yeah, I like the way that they do it. There would be no,
Yeah, I can't do it the way they do it.
no. I don't know. It's very fucking impressive. But we're about to be impressed the fuck. This is Blind Fury on a smooth fucking beat.
I wake up in the morning, look here. I wake up in the morning and I roll my draw. And then I pull up about a half a four. I call that a deuce in my orange juice. That's the only way to really
Look at that
get
voice, bro.
loose. I drink codeine by the goddamn liter. Then I roll up a lot of goddamn reefer. Yeah, you know it's your boy. I got drank by the jug. And I'll be rolling up the good old bud. I like purple, I like yellow. I like to mix the red and yellow together. Get real, fucking sideways. Do it Monday through Friday on that stuff. Yeah, I'm on that purple stuff. That stuff. I'm on that. Hey, I'm nodding out, riding on the train, but I'm feeling good. I ain't feeling no pain. On my way to 106 BET. Yeah, everybody gon' see me on TV, but I don't really give a fuck. I got my double cup, and
This
I
is
be
really
sipping
fucking
out
good.
of it with
That
crazy.
beat is fucking
Yeah,
dope.
That beat was wild.
my way to 106 BET. Yeah, everybody gon' see me on TV, but I don't really give a fuck. I got my double cup, and I be sipping
He's like
out of
hitting
it
them
with-
and those
That's
kicks
crazy. I don't know how-
phenomenally.
I don't know how he does it. Well, he's blind.
Yeah,
His hearing is way better. He
he's
could
fucking
probably
dude. He's Daredevil.
he could probably fucking hear the beat before it comes out the fucking speaker.
Future hearing.
It has
He
to
can
be.
hear in the future and time it perfectly, and he has like he can hear and visualize like a timeline.
That's the only explanation.
Yeah, the only one.
It's the only logical explanation.
I think I have one more music one, maybe. I don't know.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it, or maybe nothing. Pause this. Go all the way back. This is another spotlight that we're gonna do next week. So
Sabdul Qadir.
this guy has no social anxiety in his body at all. Nothing,
I need to see the rest of it.
bruh.
It looks like it's a pretty long video. Yeah.
So this guy goes into public places and yells, and you'll see.
Let's see.
No social anxiety. Look at everybody.
These paintings were drawn by the old man with the walking stick. As you can see, the erratic streaks represent the neurons in his brain that led him to commit acts of violence. He was an unorthodox
He's like, I'm
artist
losing him.
and a talented fighter.
It was like he was busting a nut.
Dude, there was one I'll show next week. It was the most like, as soon as he yelled, it was the quietest I've ever heard, like anything. It was a full restaurant, like, you know, tables, like shit clacking, everything. He's like, oh! And then everybody just completely silent. And then he just kept fucking going, man. He doesn't give a shit. Bro, I can't. Like, he stays there for like 2 minutes.
We needed to try this.
Oh!
Hold up.
And he does like some fucking the silence after the first yell is always the funniest. The echo.
It's so. Whoa!
Like I can visualize the oil like going further and further into the room because of that fucking echo, and it's like hitting everybody. And then he starts his speech, and everybody casually goes on, and then he has to keep saying that because I can feel him feeling that he's losing their attention.
Let me do it one more time.
Yeah, what better way to get their attention again? Just to yell louder.
I love how he does it 3 times.
It's fucking phenomenal, man. But yeah, I'm gonna try to decipher what started this guy doing this shit, and then we're gonna watch like one of the funnier ones next week. Oh my! Everybody stops talking. There's like 2 seconds where there's no talking. Oh my god, man, the power.
I wish I could get this lady's face.
Yeah, dude, she looks terrified. So bewildered.
These paintings were drawn by the.
And he's always spouting some fucking crazy nonsense.
I love how he happened to be British.
Yeah. It's like he's narrating some like fucking Lord of the Rings intro or some shit.
These paintings were drawn by the old man with the walking stick.
Everyone's like, what the fuck are you talking about?
What fucking old man?
What? Oh, man. Just see if I have another one, because I think that's the end. And then we can wrap up and fucking go. Oh, dude. God, dude, I forgot I added so many.
Kanye trolled everyone live?
Bruh, this is so fucking funny to me. So he's been doing a whole bunch of outside live performances. He's been doing like some house music type shit, just like really chill beats. And he played with the crowd, and then he didn't play with them. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's such a yay fucking thing to do.
Let's fuck with it.
Hold on. We running out of time, so I guess I'm going. Oh, nope.
Nope.
We're running out of time. Oh, nope. Beat comes back on.
What if I want to see that again?
He's just fucking with people.
Hold on. We running out of time. Hold on. We running out of time, so I guess I'm going. Oh, nope.
Nope.
We got him smiling. He's laughing.
Nope. Oh, nope.
That's fucking amazing. I love it. And his little fucking smile at the end. He's like, yeah, I fucking got him. Fucking idiots. Dumbass motherfuckers.
You fucking all stop dancing. Fuck you.
You thought I was really fucking leaving. Fucking dumbass bitch.
I'm here.
You fucking dirty bitch.
Thanks a lot. You dirty bitch.
You dirty bitch. Dude, he needs a sample beat.
Oh, no doubt.
I need to hear a version of his album where there's some beat samples.
You need to get Dak to do one.
Spell red.
L-S-T-E-R.
Beat. L-S.
Yeah.
T-E-R. All right, on that note, we got to get up and fucking jet. Thank y'all for watching the podcast. Flick your bean, flick your ding dong, fucking like, subscribe, do all that shit.
Plunger your butthole.
Plunger your butthole. That's a new one. That's fucking very violent. You might fucking go like a, what is that called? Like a prolapse anus. Like your anal sleeve comes out of your fucking. Imagine seeing your. Never mind.
Well, I did watch a heavy segment of. It was on YouTube, so I didn't get to actually see any of it.
I'm surprised it went even that far and was on YouTube.
Tom Segura. It was just a reaction to reactions. And so
those reactions are fucking gold.
Well, apparently they
especially the Joe Rogan reaction. I didn't see what they were showing him during the live, but whatever they did, his reaction was so fucking hilarious. He was like so distraught and so like
that's pretty much
puzzled. He's like every facial contortion happened, and then Tom's just like dying.
That's pretty much how Christina was in this entire one. Like the funniest one was apparently this dude was cutting his dick with a scalpel.
Ah.
And so Christina was doing like this. So like it was somewhere over here. The mic was like this, and she was on a table like this. Like, can you turn it off? Like this. And her hair was blocking her, but you could see her go, oh! Like, I want to look, so I want to see it, but I don't want to see it.
And her with like gagging and throwing up is the funniest fucking thing. Tom's like, I promise I won't play it. And then she's like, Tom, God fucking damn it. Fucking throws the headphones down. Oh, man. But fuck, I don't know. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And we're going to let the Dak Attack with the Mac in the back of the sack lead us out with Drive. And I'll show you those vlogs will probably be on the channel in some different playlists. I've been trying to like edit solely on my iPad, so I know how to do it in future. But it's really hard a learning curve.
I was about to say.
It's really hard.
Take forever.
Yeah, no. I want to like just use like my fingers and shit. But
oh, shit.